Well, hello everyone. Today it happened. A really good student was carrying his ukulele and tripped and fell. And now we have this happening. And what's really bad is that it's not a clean break on this side. So as you can see, the laminate is pulling up right there. So what I'm going to do is torque it as much as I can. And I'm going to put a bunch of tight bond in there with a paintbrush. So what I would be doing is taking this paintbrush and dipping it in the container of Type Bond and getting it gooey and going in here and over, getting this entire area just saturated in there with glue. So that's what I'm going to be doing here for the next few minutes. Okay, I don't need them clean. Okay, and then for a final step, I'm gonna push it back like that. I'm gonna hold it. I have two options. I can put a weight on this side, probably go this way though, and put a weight here, and then get a wet rag and dry it off. But that should glue that back together with some friction. And there it is, using some masking tape to hold the neck back against the body. And hopefully that will be the whole repair that we need to have for this ukulele. So I thought I would just show you that it's all back together. Again, this is the one that had been broken right there at the neck. I did spend some time too, since I had it home and was gluing it, to deal with sharp fret ends that happen here. There is basically no humidity during this part of the year in this particular building. So everything's very dry, and it's always a battle with fret ends, fret sprout, whatever you want to call it. So here's this instrument. All back together, ready for service again. Yeah, kind of interesting. Again, these were only, I think, $36 at the time when we bought them, and I'm not sure that they actually cost much more than that. They've been very serviceable. When it comes to this Caramel brand, I still think that they did a really great job for the cost. But I know some people, again, Barry Maz, got a ukulele, don't really like this brand very much, but These have been tanks. They've done a great job. They've handled a lot of attention from middle school and now elementary students. And again, if you can do some minor setup work, if you can deal with sharp fret ends, I would certainly recommend them for a school, although there are some other instruments that I would probably recommend first just because of less upkeep, such as fret ends. But anyway, that's it. So that's the repair, all fixed, ready to go back in service. Thanks for watching the video. We'll have more content for you in the future.